Now let us see the combination plier. This is a very important tool for electrician. Combination pliers is a handheld multi-purpose tool. Basically combination plier बहुतेक सगळ्यांना माहीत असेल plier, सगळ्यांच्या घरी असतो हे tool. It is a multi-purpose that is having different types of uses. So it is a multi-purpose tool combining gripping jaws with wire cutters. Basically it is having jaw that can grip the different objects and can cut the wires. They can be used for gripping the object, gripping the nails, wires, screws, etc. Also for compressing. Sometimes we have to compress the wires, compress the metals. So we can use the combination plier for compressing also. Bending, we can bend the wire, we can bend the nail. For twisting, we can twist the two wires together with the help of the plier. Extracting or pulling nut bolts, the screws, nails, etc. And also cutting the various electrical objects like wires, cables, nail, etc. So basically the combination plier can perform different mechanical operations like the gripping, the compressing, the bending, twisting, extracting, pulling, cutting, etc. Combination pliers are so called because they enable the user to do a combination of different jobs. So why it is called combination plier? Because it performs different types of jobs. It is typically used almost by all electricians. So we can say this is an important tool for electricians. Combination pliers works in a similar way like scissor. We know the scissors to cut the paper, to cut the cloth, etc. With the two levers joined so that they form a pivot across each other. Like scissor, आपण जो कात्री म्हणतो घरातली, combination plier just like the scissor. दोघांमधला एक डिफरन्स आहे की सीझर्स हॅव नियरली इक्वल लेंथ ऑफ हँडल्स अँड जॉ. ह्याच्यामध्ये समोरचा भाग आणि हँडल्स दोन्ही नियरली सेम लेंथ असतात. बट इन केस ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन प्लायर द लेंथ ऑफ जॉ इज व्हेरी शॉर्ट ॲज कम्पेअर द लेंथ ऑफ हँडल. सो वी कॅन सी फिगर हिअर. तो समोरचा पार्ट आहे त्या प्लायरचा, त्याला म्हणायचं जॉ, आणि पाठीमागच्या जो आहे ते पाते त्याला म्हणायचं हँडल. सो इन केस ऑफ प्लायर लेंथ ऑफ हँडल is much larger than the length of jaw. Sometimes combination pliers are referred to as lineman's plier. Linemen, those work with electrical line, they are called the lineman's plier. However, lineman's pliers are made for heavy duty work with specially insulated handles for safety. जो lineman's plier असेल तो एक तर फार हेवी असेल, हेवी ड्युटी असेल, दे कॅन परफॉर्म डिफरंट मेकॅनिकल ऑपरेशन. ॲट द सेम टाईम त्याचा जो हँडल असेल इट इज इन्शुलेटेड. जो नॉर्मल प्लायरचे इट मे नॉट बी इन्शुलेटेड. जो मेकॅनिकल काय म्हणायचं मेकॅनिकल किंवा वर्कशॉपमध्ये यूज करतात दे मे नॉट हॅव द इन्शुलेटेड हँडल्स. बट इलेक्ट्रिशियन्स और लाइनमन्स प्लायर्स हॅव इन्शुलेटेड हँडल्स. This is because a lineman work with power lines or charge cable. इलेक्ट्रिशियन असेल किंवा लाईनमन असेल त्याला फारदा चार्ज केबलवर किंवा चार्ज लाईनवर काम करावं लागतं. दॅट्स वाय द हँडल्स आर इन्शुलेटेड. द प्रायमरी पर्पज ऑफ pliers is usually to provide a tight grip. Basically, the function of the plier is to provide the tight grip of wires or cables as shown in figure. Grip the things it would be difficult with your fingers. फार अशा वायर हाताने धरणं किंवा हाताने बेंड करणं, it is very difficult. So the electrician can use this plier to hold or to grip or to twist the wires with the help of this combination plier, allowing to bend or twist or otherwise pull the wires. आपल्या हाताने it is very difficult to pull the wires किंवा बेंड करणं किंवा ट्विस्ट करणे, but it is very easy if we are using the combination plier. Now basically the pliers can have the two important parts. एकाला समोरचा जो पार्ट असेल त्याला म्हणायचं jaws आणि जो पाठीमागचा पार्ट असेल तो handles. Now first let us see jaw. The jaws is the of combination plier open and close. जो समोरचा भाग आहे तो ओपन होतो किंवा क्लोज होतो along with the handles. जसं आपण हँडल प्रेस करू त्याप्रमाणे jaw close होईल. As we open the handles, jaw also open. They have flat edges for general gripping. त्याचा जो जॉचा जो समोरचा भाग आहे that may be flat to grip the general objects, which are often serrated म्हणजे teethed. We can see in the figure जो समोरचा भाग आहे it may have the teeth like structure for extra grip. म्हणजे फार गुळगुळीत असेल किंवा स्मूथ असेल तर आपण जेव्हा एखादी वस्तू धरते इट मे नॉट हॅव द प्रॉपर ग्रीप. टू हॅव द प्रॉपर ग्रीप द फ्रंट एंड दॅट इज द जॉज टीथ ऑफ जॉज आर serrated or teethed so that it may provide extra grip. This arrangement allowing the force of hand's grip to be amplified and focus on object between the jaw. म्हणजे काय? Basically, if you see the combination plier, the length of handle is much larger as compared to the length of jaw. हे लेंथ जेवढी जास्त असेल त्याप्रमाणे we get the more force at the jaw, because basically using long handles we amplify the force at the jaw. जेवढी लेंथ जास्त असेल त्याप्रमाणे जास्त फोर्स आपल्याला जॉमध्ये मिळेल, so that we can perform the different mechanical operation like bending, twisting and so on. Now handles of combination pliers will usually have a plastic coating for safety, for added comfort, at the same time to provide the comfort and grip, and for insulation, and large in length as compared to jaw for force amplification. हे जेवढा हँडल लांब असेल that provide the more force at the jaw. We can see here the separate jaw which have serrated or teeth jaw for extra grip. Sometimes the combination plier have different arrangements, like we can see at the side we can cut the wire, even at the jaw side we can cut the wires, nails, screw, etc.